Good morning to everyone. This is the sum we will be doing in today's lecture in front of your screen. On 1st April 2012, Mr. Vinay had 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each of Spectrum Limited. So on 1st April 2012, what they have told, this investor, Mr. Vinay, had 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each of Spectrum Limited. So Spectrum Limited is the name of the company where Mr. Vinay has invested 40,000 equity shares and had मतलब खरीदा नहीं है, पहले से है. So it will be a opening balance and the face value of the share is 10 rupees and has been purchased at rupees 15. Cost is rupees 15. Nominal value is rupees 10. On 1st May 2012, he purchased 10,000 equity shares of Satyam Limited. So on 1st May 2012, he purchased 10,000 equity share of one more company, that is Satyam Limited. Face value is 10 and rupees 25 per share. Rupees 25 per share. 25 is the cost value. On the same day, he also purchased 20,000 equity shares of Spectrum Limited. On 1st May, he purchased 10,000 shares of Satyam Limited, 10 rupees each at rupees 25 cost. And same day, that is on 1st May, he also purchased 20,000 equity shares of Spectrum Limited at rupees 12. 12 is the cost. On 1st July 2012, now on July, he sold 2,000 equity shares of Satyam Limited at rupees 22 per share. Now, whenever sales happens, we also have to calculate profit or loss. So there is a sale in Satyam Limited of 2,000 shares. Board of Director of Spectrum Limited announced right share of equity shares. So Spectrum Limited Board of Directors announced right shares of equity shares, right shares in the ratio of 1 share for every 3 shares held at rupees 20. Means if you have 3 shares, you will get 1 right share. This is the ratio. And the amount, full amount was payable by 31st August 2012. Shareholders, now when has the full payment to be made? 31st August 2012. Shareholders were allowed to renounce their right, so they can sell their right to either in part or full to the outsiders. Renouncement was allowed. या तो पूरा shares, right share जो आपको मिलेगा, you give it to sell it to someone else at full or at part. So Mr. Vinay, who is the investor, renounced 40% of his rights at rupees 5 per share. We are not concerned about the renouncement. Renounce करने के ऊपर वो किसी और को sell करे, हमें वो नहीं चाहिए, हमें चाहिए the balance what he has subscribed for himself. So 40% renounce kiya and 60% he has kept for himself, and we are concerned about that 60% which he has kept for himself. On 1st December 2012, Mr. Vinay sold 5,000 equity shares of Spectrum Limited and 2,000 equity shares of Satyam Limited at rupees 30 and rupees 27 per share respectively. So after right share on 31st December, 31st August को right shares मिल गया. And on 1st December, Mr. Vinay ne Spectrum Limited's 5,000 shares he sold and 2,000 shares of Satyam Limited. 30 rupees Spectrum ka, 27 rupees Satyam ka cost hai. And whenever there is a sales, we also have to calculate profit or loss. So this is the question. They have asked us to prepare investment in equity shares of Spectrum Limited account and investment in equity shares of Satyam Limited account in the books of Vinay for the year ended 31st March 2013. So in the books of Vinay, we have to prepare investment in the investment account in equity shares of Spectrum Limited and investment in equity shares of Satyam Limited. So let us start the sum now. First date they have given for Spectrum Limited. They say on 1/4/2012, 1/4/2012. What has happened on 1/4/2012? Mr. Vinay had means it's a opening balance. To balance bought down. How much share he had? Let me adjust the working note column. So he had nominal value 40,000. He had 40,000 equity share. One share is of 10 rupees. So 40,000 into 10, 40 lakh will be the nominal value. And he purchased at what cost? He purchased at what cost? 15 rupees. So what will be the cost? 40,000 into 15. That gives us 6 lakhs. This is the opening balance, and whenever we show the opening balance after every entry, we will have to show it in the cost structure. 40,000 units, nominal value 4 lakhs, and cost value 6 lakhs. This is done. Now, Spectrum Limited, we have recorded. Now, they say on 1st May 2012, he purchased. So, here the date will be when purchase means our investment will increase. So, what is the date? 1st May 2012. So what is it? To purchase means what will go out? Cash bank account. So here adjustment of the column. Okay. 10,000 equity shares. One share is of 10 rupees. So nominal value will be how much? 10,000 into 10. 10,000 into 10. And cost is at 25. So 10,000 into 25 is how much? 10,000 into 25 is how much? 10,000 into 25 is 2,50,000. So this is the value of equity share of Satyam Limited, which was purchased on 1st May 2012. So whenever we purchase, we have to also record it in the cost structure. Let us record it in the cost structure. Purchase. Here there is no opening balance. First entry is of purchase. So 1 lakh is the nominal value. 10,000 into 10. And 10,000 into 25 is the cost because they Vinay purchased for 25 rupees per share, 10,000 equity shares of Satyam Limited. So on the same day, he also purchased 20,000 equity shares of Spectrum. So Satyam Limited ka shares जिस दिन purchase किया on 1st May, he also purchased 20,000 equity shares of Spectrum at 12 rupees. Cost is 12. So on which day? 1/5/2012 May के दिन purchase किया means our shares will increase. Purchase किया shares will increase and purchase किया तो what will go out? Cash will go out. he purchased 20,000 shares at 12 rupees. So 20,000 into 10, because the nominal value is 10 rupees, and the cost is 12. So 20,000 into 12 will give us 2,40,000. 2,40,000. So we got this. Spectrum Limited shares also we have purchased. So let us add here. Then we get how much balance we have. Add purchase. We purchased 20,000 shares, and it becomes nominal value become 2 lakh, and cost value is 2,40,000. So how many shares we have? 60. This will become 6 lakh. This will become 8,40,000. So this is done. We have recorded it in the cost structure also. Now they say on 1st July 2012, he sold 20,000 equity shares of Satyam Limited at 22 rupees per share. Is the date on 1st July. So on 1st July, which company share? Satyam Limited share. So on 1st July, he sold to 1/7 July month 2012. He sold. Sold means what we will get? Cash bank. And how many share? 2,000, sorry, 2,000 share. So 2,000 shares means how much? 2,000 into 1 share is of 10 rupees. So 2,000 into 10 is 20,000, and he sold for 22 rupees. So 2,000 into 22 sold for 44,000. So on 1st July 2012, he sold 2,000 equity shares of Satyam Limited at 22 per share. So here Satyam Limited shares are sold. Sold means less sales. And how much share? 2,000. This will come to 20,000. Cost we will get when do a cross multiplication. Third one, whenever there is a sale, we have to find out profit or loss on sale of 2,000 shares of Satyam Limited. So let us see at what is the sales price. What is the sale price? It is at the amount of 44,000. Now, less weighted average cost. Cross multiplication, 20,000 into 2,50,000 divide by 1 lakh. Do a cross multiplication and see what amount you are getting. Do a cross multiplication, 20,000 into 2,50,000 divide by 1 lakh. So how much cost you are getting? 50,000. So tell me, is it a profit or a loss? The cost was 50,000 and we sold for 44,000. The value of the equity shares were 50,000 and we sold. Cost means value. Value was 50,000 and we got only 44,000. So it is a loss, correct? Because 50,000 was the cost and we sold for 44,000. So cost से समझ में आना चाहिए इतने का चीज है, but we हमें कितना मिला? How much did we receive? Only 44,000. So how much is the loss? Losses of 6,000. Losses of 6,000. So what we will do? loss है, so we will have to record it here. यहाँ से it will go to the P&L debit side. Same amount, same day, जुलाई को by profit and loss account. Directly we will write in the cost column 6,000. From here it will go to P&L account debit side where expenses and losses are shown by P&L account, and here from here it will go to the P&L account in the debit side. So this is done. Now let us complete this here. It is a 50,000. Cost is 50,000. So how much we are left with? Number of shares 80,000, and this is 2 lakh. Now let us read further. This we have done on 1st July 2012. He sold 2,000 equity shares as Satyam Limited at 22 per share. Now Board of Directors of Spectrum Limited announced right shares of equity shares in ratio of 1 share for every 3 shares held at ₹20 each. So Board of Directors of Spectrum Limited announced right shares. So what is the ratio of right shares? 1 share for every 3 shares held at ₹20. Fully payable by, amount is fully payable by 31st August. Let us go to the working note. 4th working note, calculation of right shares. So how much? Calculation of right shares. Ratio is what? 1 right share for every 3 equity shares held. This is given in the question. Just now we read that Board of Directors of Spectrum Limited announced right shares of equity share in ratio of 1 share for every 3 shares held at 20 rupees. So 3 share के लिए 1 right share. So let us see how many shares we have. We have in Spectrum Limited 60,000 shares. 60,000 shares के लिए कितना right shares मिलेगा? So 60,000 equity shares we have. So इसके लिए कितना right shares मिलेगा? It's a question mark. So here do a cross multiplication. 60,000 into 1 divide by 3. So how much you get? How much right shares you get? 60,000 into 1 divide by 3. We get 20,000 right shares of ₹20 each. ये actually 10 rupees का है, of ₹10 each, issued at ₹20, because नॉमिनल वैल्यू शेयर्स का चेंज नहीं होगा. जितने भी स्पेक्ट्रम लिमिटेड में शेयर्स है सबका फेस वैल्यू 10 है, बट अभी ये राइट शेयर विल बी इशूड एट 20 रुपीज. बट हैव ऑल ऑफ द राइट शेयर्स बीन सब्सक्राइब्ड? The next question is, we have found out how many right share is receivable. Total, Mr. Vinay is eligible to get 20,000 right shares. Mr. Vinay, the investor, as per the ratio, is eligible to get 20,000 equity shares. But has he subscribed for all this 20,000, 100% subscription? No. See what they have told, the shareholders are allowed to renounce their right shares in full or part to the outsiders. So what did Mr. Vinay chose? Did he renounce 100% of his available right shares, eligible right shares, or he has renounced 40%. We are not concerned about renouncement. Let him renounce any number of any percent of right shares, but we are concerned for how much has he subscribed. तो he has subscribed, 40% renounce कर दिया, तो 60% उसने खुद के लिए लिया है. So what we will do from here, we will calculate 20,000 into 60%. So how much shares has he purchased? 20,000 into 60% means it is 12,000 right shares he has subscribed. We are not concerned about renounce. He has subscribed 12,000 right shares of rupees 10 at rupees 20. So Mr. Vinay renounced 40% to outsider. 20,000 right share में से 40% he renounced, sold to a outsider. That we are not concerned in this chapter. What we are concerned is उसने कितना subscribe किया, खुद के लिए कितना लिया. So how much he has taken for himself is what we want to know. So 12,000. So let us, in the Spectrum Limited, let us give the effect of right shares. When did he pay? The full amount was payable by 31st August. So 31st August. 31st August 2012. So right shares purchase करेंगे. So what will happen? Money will go out. 12,000 right shares. So how much? 12,000 right shares means 12,000 into 10, that is 1,20,000, and for 20, purchased for 20. So 12,000 into 20, that is again the same amount, 2,40,000. So now right share 20 rupees में मिला. Let us give the effect here. Add right shares. How much right shares? 12,000. For nominal value will not change, 10 rupees. And here it is 2,40,000. So this becomes 72,000. This becomes 7,20,000. And this becomes 10,80,000. So right shares also we have given effect. Now shareholders were allowed. Okay, this all is done. Mr. Vinay ने 40% renounce किया. Balance is subscribed, for which balance we have given the effect. Now on 1st December 2012, Mr. Vinay sold 5,000 equity shares of Spectrum. 5,000 equity shares sell किया. So which is the date? 1 December 2012. So when we are selling, our shares will go out, so investment will be reduced. So buy cash bank, कितने में खरीदा? Sorry, खरीदा नहीं, sell किया. So 5,000, how much, Vinay, how much shares of Spectrum Limited did he sold? 5,000. 5,000 into 10, 50,000. But he sold 5,000 shares for 30 rupees. 5,000 for 30 rupees. So 5,000 into 30 is 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Correct? So whenever we do a sale, one more thing what we think is, one more question what comes is at the time of sale, one more question that comes in our mind is about profit or loss. Whenever one more question which comes in our mind when we do a sale is whether we have sold the shares for profit or loss. So let us here Spectrum Limited में less sales. How many shares? 5,000. This becomes 50,000 and we have sold for 30 rupees. So let us calculate the profit or loss. So working note number 5, calculation of profit or loss on sale of 5,000 shares of Spectrum Limited. So here, sales price. At what amount have we sold? See, that is given in the question that we have done 1,50,000 because 5,000 shares we sold for 30 rupees. So it is 1,50,000. Then less weighted average cost. We have to do a cross multiplication. 50,000 into 10 lakh 80 divide by 7 lakh 20,000. So 50,000 into 10 lakh 80,000 divide by 7 lakh 20,000. Correct? Let us cross check. Yes. Now find out what is it, profit or loss. 50,000 into 10,80,000 divide by 7,20,000. We are getting cost as 75,000. We are getting cost as 75,000 means the शेयर वॉज वर्थ 75,000. शेयर का कॉस्ट था 75,000. हमने सेल किया 1,50,000 में. So our profit is also 75,000. So let us go to here. What is the date? 1/12/2012. We will write profit will be shown in the debit side because यहाँ से it will go to P&L credit side. So the amount is 75,000. This is done. This sales is completely done. So यहाँ पे it will come 75,000. So what we get here, 72 में से 72,000 में से 5,000 गया, we get 67,000. Here we get 6,70,000. Here we get 10,80,000 minus 75,000. We get 10,05,000. 10,80,000 minus 75,000. We get 10,05,000. This is done. Now we have one more sale of 2,000 shares of Satyam Limited. So here 1/12/2012 we have by cash bank. One more sale, but in Satyam Limited. How many shares? 2000 shares. So 2000 into 10 is 20,000 and we have sold for 27 rupees. So 2000 into 27 means हमने 54,000 में सेल किया. कितना? 2000 equity shares of Satyam, but for 27. So 2000 into 27 we received. Now let us pass this entry here. So less sales. Less sales. So how many shares? Again 2000, 20,000. Now this amount we will get when we do a cross multiplication. So let us go to the next working note. 6th one, calculation of profit or loss on sale of 2000 shares of Satyam Limited. The sales price is how much? For how much price have we sold? How much price have we sold? 54,000 less weighted average cost. Let us do a cross multiplication. 2,000 here. Here it is 20,000 into 2 lakh divide by 80,000. So let us see how much cost we are getting. 20,000 into 2 lakh divide by 80,000. We are getting 50,000. Here we are getting 50,000. So 50,000 ka cheese, 50,000 ka shares we sold for 54,000. So we have made a profit of 4,000. So let us give another effect of profit. Here we can write again. It is 50,000. And how much is left now? 6,000 shares. Here it is 60,000. Here it is 1,50,000. So here let us give the effect for profit. 2012 to profit and loss account. Here in the last column, 4,000 effect for profit. Now all the transactions are done. All the transactions are done. See, till last everything we have done. Now we have to close the books. 2013 को हमें ये इसको क्लोज करना है. So 31st March 2013 we will close this by balance carried down. So how much we are getting when we close this year? 4 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 1,20,000 is 7,20,000. Here 6 lakh plus 2,40,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 75,000, 11,55,000. Same we have to show here also. So So how much we are getting? Minus 50,000. Sorry, minus 50,000 from 7,20,000. We are getting 6,70,000. And here, from here, 11,55,000 में से minus 1,50,000. We get 10,05,000. Check whether this is tallying with the cost structure. Yes, here also it is the same. 6,70,000 minus 10,05,000. ये इसके साथ इधर टैली हो रहा है. Now, same way, let us close this one. This will be same. 1 lakh. This is 2,54,000. Same we will copy. So here, 31 March 2013 by balance carried down. So 1 lakh में से 40,000 गया तो it will be 60,000. And here 2,54,000 में से 44,000 गया, 6,000 गया and 54,000 gaya, so we get 1,50,000, which is again common to what we have got in the cost structure. Cost structure में भी हमें वही same amount मिला है. So with this both the accounts are done and the sum is also done with this. With this, the sum is also done. Thank you very much, everyone.